You can't even tell me this isn't my hair. Like, I've been growing my hair all my life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yutuni for those who don't know. Today I got hair from West Kiss Hair. They did send me a Vpart wig. But before we get to the hair, let me show you kind of what came in the box. We got some lashes. I also got a wig cap. It also came with a nice headband. I also got a edge brush. I love these. You can never have too many of these because I get lazy to like clean them. Last but not least, we got a wig cap. This is nice and it's roomy. I like when they're like nice and secure. I like this color. This is the hair. It came in this nice packet. I'm literally just opening it. Oh, this is so nice and soft and long. So this is my second Vpart wig, but this is my first one from West Kiss Hair. Definitely has that hair smell to it that it needs to be washed, but not terrible. And then it's closed right here, so I'd have to like cut this bit off if I want to, which I probably will because I don't know how that's gonna look. But this is the hair. It's so full. Look at that body yaddy. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. It has an elastic band inside it. It's so soft. But yeah, so we'll be back when I actually am ready to install this and give you guys a whole vibe. I have the leave out right here. And then I do have some side pieces to have options in case I do want to leave hair out. Alright, so here we are. I'm going to here. So this is what, it's so hot right now. This is what it looks like. Like I said, the hair is so nice and full, which I absolutely love. It's lifting a little bit over here. So I would probably move the clips a little bit more forward so it can stay flat right there, or maybe add another one. And then there's the combs on the side, so I'm going to just push that in to the cornrow to secure it a bit more. I'm gonna take the hair out. I'm so hot right now. But if I put the AC on, then you guys can't hear me. Oh, this is eating. This is actually eating. Look at this. Look at this blend. Oh my god, no. This looks amazing. But look at this. This is not even like done with full styling. You can't tell me this isn't my hair. You just can't. Look at that. Alright, so I'm gonna go do my makeup and maybe put some curls in it and you guys will see the final look.
Okay, so I decided to straighten it first just because I wanted to see how it would look all like pressed out with my hair. Obviously you can see my hair is showing, it looks like bangs, but I still think it came out so pretty and I would definitely wear it like this just to have it regular. But I still decided I wanted the curls, so I just went in with my curl wand, which is like a fiber curler. I don't know, but it gets the job done. This first one, the thing wasn't hot yet. I don't even know why I was being so impatient, which is why it came out like blech, because I know it could look better than that. That's why I have that face. But we went into the next one and look at that one, how pretty. Yeah, I was liking that one, so we kept on going.
These curls are eating, as Monet would say, they are juicy. These are some juicy curls. But no, it actually looks really, really nice. And obviously I was just more focused on the ends than the top part because that's just how I like mine to fall. But no, this looks so, so stunning. And like, you can't even tell me this isn't my hair. Like, I've been growing my hair all my life. This is the journey and this is where we are. And I got some little bangs. But yeah, I'm gonna redo this piece because the wand wasn't that hot yet when I did it, and I'll be back when I'm fully done curling everything else because I still have this much to do. Girl, you can't tell me this hair is not eating. Oh my god, stunning. Like, I'm feeling myself stunning. These curls, stop playing with me. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. It's actually stunning. And yeah, I have no words. Anywho, yeah, this is about to be like an everyday thing because it was so easy to plug on and off. And the great thing is, like, I can just take it off and put it back on just like this the next day because I'm not gonna be sleeping in it or anything. But yeah, this is the final look. Let me know what you think. I love it in its natural state, and I also love it curly like this. This is like, I want to do the most. I'm going out, and I can even do like a half up half down type of vibe with it, which is great if I really wanted to. Ooh, wig wear. Anywho, that is it. Let me know what you think in the comment box below. You can find all the details for this hair in the description box underneath as well. And yeah, don't let me be outside by myself with this hair. Get you one. Honestly, I've been really into like natural textures lately as well, so this just is giving everything I wanted it to do for me. And I can easily put this in a ponytail also, because if you just leave the perimeter out, it's gonna do that. I'm gonna be doing that soon. I'll do that, so watch out for that video. But yeah, this is the hair. It's made for me.